Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on these bicycle lights from Vont, and I would like to thank them for sending these lights out for our review. And according to the description, these lights are so bright and everything that they can even help you survive a zombie attack. Well, we gotta check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay folks, here we are. We're going to check these lights out and see what they're all about. Well, first I just want to show you the box. This pretty much how it's going to come to you like this. And of course it's from Vont, of course it says so. These lights are rechargeable like it says in the box, according to what it says here. And oh, it's got 4 modes on it. Let's see, it says full brightness, half brightness, slow flashing, and fast flashing mode. So it's got 4 modes also. Well, that's interesting. Okay, we're definitely going to be checking this out. We're going to be trying this stuff out. So we're going to open this box up now. See what's on the inside here. Oh, there the lights are. Right there. Alright, so I'm going to take all the goodies out of here and see what it's all about. Of course, these are the lights themselves right here. I'm about to take them out of the box while we're at it. Oh, neat. Oh, I like this. See? Okay. They're not heavy, number one. They feel real good to the touch. Oh. Looks like they clip on. Like, you know, you can clip onto something with this. I guess if you got like something going on in front of your bike, you can click it on the back, in front of the bike or whatever. Okay. Of course, this is the tail light, of course. So you put this in the back of your bike. Okay, cool. And of course, this is your headlights right here. Durable, rugged feeling. I can tell you the feel about it right now, that it feels very rugged. This thing is not going to break easily at all. I can tell you that. You drop this, you shouldn't have no problems at all. Oh, well, you know. And I just literally hit the button up there. Oh my goodness, check that out, folks. Really bright. Oh my goodness. I don't want to blind nobody with this. Let me go ahead. Okay, that's the second mode right there that we saw in the box. Okay, I'm hitting another button again. Oh, well, that's cool. They go flashing there. Okay, and then another mode. I gotta find out more about that. That's why I'm gonna read the instruction manual and see what it's all about. And of course, that's off. Oh, okay. I like that. That's really cool. Alright, what's the red dude? I'm curious. What's the red dude? Okay. Of course, that's your red light there. Woo. Check that out. And of course, I'm gonna do the same thing like I did with that other one. It dims, so that's the lower light. Flashing. And I guess another flashing mode. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, that's what it said. It said fast flashing and slow flashing. So this must be slow flashing right here. Oh, that's cool. And of course, same ruggedness and everything. I can definitely drop this around all day long. Still works. Alright. They say it can survive a 10-foot drop. So that's very interesting. They made these to be very rugged. Alright. And of course, you go charge them. From what I understand, basically, well, I'm going to get back at to y'all about this in a moment. Let me see, where's the instruction manual? Oh, this is interesting. I guess these things here are to help you clip this onto the bike. Clip these onto the bike. I definitely got to read the instruction manual. See, I'm dropping stuff already. I'm getting all excited. Alright, so let's see what else is in the box. Oh, okay. Well, I'm definitely going to read this little thing here. I think this is, let's see, what's this? I think that's the little instruction thing I'm going to read shortly. Get more details. Oh, that's a thank you card. Okay. Alright. Let me get back at y'all in a moment so I can show y'all how to recharge these. Okay folks, after doing some extensive reading, basically found out what to do with these lights. So here we go. To recharge them, well actually let me show you the first thing. Now, when you want to attach these to your bike, right, you get one of these straps right here. And what you do is you basically move the strap all the way up this clip right here. The clip what I showed you earlier. Just basically move it up the clip. Like so, see? Just keep moving it up. And what you want to do is there's a notch right here that's like at the very end. Move it all the way up there till you get past that notch and you just lock it in. Hold on. Oops, I hit the light again. Alright, let me do it this way. Alright. Once it's in there, it's going to be in there good. I think I did it already. Yep, it's in there. Okay. It's already on there. See? It's already on there. Gee, I didn't know I did that quick. But anyway, it's on there now. So basically, it's supposed to look like something like this. And what you'll do is basically, alright, imagine this is like the seat pole or the back of your bike. You know, like a little pole area, right? All you basically got to do, and also keep in mind you got this to clip it back onto. So basically what you would do is clip it on like so, just like that. See? So basically you get in the back of your bike. Well, actually this is going to be the headlight right here. So you clip it on the front of your bike with this one. Wrap it around the thing in front of your bike. And clip it on. And then when you need the light, turn it on. Hit the little button up here. Turn your light on. And that's it. And of course, you know, the other modes. Dim. Fast. Flashing. Oh, that was slow flashing. Okay, this is fast flashing, I think. That's it. Okay. Well, that's it right there. Now, the other part I want to show you also is how to recharge them. And of course, what you would do is, you basically, and each one of these lights have them, the little flap that's on the bottom. You basically want to go to the bottom of the flap here. It's like on the bottom where this hook part is at. And you just basically pull it back and it will reveal. Well, oops, I hit the light again. It's a little flap on here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. I think you can see it now. That's the 5-volt USB port right there. The mini, you know, the micro port right there. And what we'll basically do is grab one of these. Basically any 5-volt adapter will do actually. And you just plug this in. Yep. Just like that, see? It's plugged in, see? And you definitely want to keep these charged up for your, you know, just in case you do run across the zombie apocalypse. So you want to keep these recharged. Alright. So unplug this in. Of course now pretty much got this going on. And all you do is just plug it in. Now when you plug it in, there's a light at the end of it. See that? That's the charging light. Now when it's fully charged, that's supposed to turn green. So I'm gonna let this sit in charge until it turns green so we can actually see that. So I'm gonna let this charge like like doing now. And also I'm literally going to wait till it gets dark to test the brightness of these bike lights. So we're going to do two things in the next scene. We're going to check and see if that light does indeed turn green, and we're going to check the brightness of these lights. I gotta wait till it gets dark because it's really sunny in Baltimore right now at this time. So I'll wait till nighttime to do the rest. So stay tuned. Okay, folks. Alright. Now remember earlier I said I was going to wait till this is fully charged up. And as you can see, let me get it really close to you so you can actually see it. Remember earlier I said we had to wait till it turned green to let us know it's fully charged? Well, definitely is green, so we're going to definitely be able to use this. And the same thing will go for the other light over there too. You just gotta charge it up till you see that green light inside of it going on, and it's charged up. Alright, so that's the deal right there. Now I'm gonna unplug this since it's charged up from this, and you can use it now. I'm gonna plug this too. So now what I'm going to do is basically test the brightness. That was the next set, so let's go and do that right now. You already remember earlier that light's still right there, so what I'm going to do is literally turn off the lights in here. I have figured out a way to make everything dark in here now. I got impatient about waiting until nighttime to do it, so I got it really dark in this room, so check it out. I'm turning the lights off now. Oh yeah, it is definitely dark in here. Alright, so we're going to turn the light on. I'm barely able to see anything in here at the moment. I know I can see the light over here, so I'm going to turn that on. There we are. Folks, that is the headlight that will go on your bike. That is very bright. I'm going to go ahead and take it off this thing and see if it kind of lights up the room. See if it lights up the room here. And also it's got its own, thing acts like its own little stand there. I mean, I'm basically going to go like this. I'm going to put inside of a box something, kind of have it pointed to the ceiling. And even then, as you can see, it's a very bright light. The whole room is basically lit up from this one light source, as you can see. So I want to try out the red one. Let's see if the red one is the same way. Woo! Well, we got that going on. Let me see. If I do it this way. Okay. Well, we definitely got that going on. Let me turn the red off. See? And as you notice, the light is not even directly pointed at anything else. But yet, it's able to light up everything that's on that table. You can see everything on that table there. So that should give you a pretty good idea how bright this light really is. I mean, it's super bright. I literally cannot even look directly at that light. And basically, when you're riding this bike and everything, when you're riding on your bike and you strap this to your bike, it'll be hard for somebody not to see you. Definitely. Let me play with the strobe here. Let's see. Gonna dim it. I'm gonna put it on dim. Okay, that's the dim part of the light. That You see that. And you can do that. Okay. And that too. Well, that's that. I think that makes it as simple as possibly can be, as far as the light is concerned. So, I definitely like this light, especially if one has to deal with the zombie apocalypse. Now, why I keep making these references to the zombie apocalypse? Well, I'm basically going to say this. I'm going to provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video so you can get one on your own. And then once you follow that link and go to the Amazon link, you see why I keep referring to it, the zombie apocalypse. You'll get it. And then it all come together. So thank you for watching and have a great day.